Hey you, yes, you! Give me less than 5 minutes of your time and I will show you how to make your YouTube shorts go viral every single time. Most people get it completely wrong. They post a random clip, hope for the best, and then wonder why nobody's watching. But if you know how to hook people, keep them engaged, and make them watch till the end, your videos will explode. The biggest mistake? Wasting the first few seconds. If your video starts with, "Hey guys, today I'm going to," you've already lost. People scroll past instantly. The first second is everything. If you don't grab attention immediately, nothing else matters. So, how do you hook people? Shock them. Say something unexpected. You're brushing your teeth wrong. Ask a weird or intriguing question. What if I told you this tiny mistake is ruining your videos? Use a bold statement. Nobody's telling you this secret about shorts. Or just jump straight into the action. No intro, no fluff. Start with movement, a reaction, or something happening. A good hook makes people stop scrolling. That's half the battle won. Once they stop scrolling, you need to keep them watching. This is where most people fail. Their video slows down, they ramble, and boom, people swipe away. The key to high retention? Keep the energy up. Fast cuts, cut out every pause, every second that doesn't add value. Avoid long explanations. Say what you need to say, then move on. Use visuals. Show what you're talking about, add text, zoom in, keep things dynamic. Change angles or expressions. If you're on camera, don't just sit still. Move, react, keep it engaging. No boring moments. If they stop paying attention, the algorithm stops pushing your video. Every viral short does one thing really well. It makes people feel something. You need to deliver some kind of payoff that makes the viewer think, that was worth watching. Surprise them. Set up an expectation, then flip it. Example, most people think X works, but actually, it's Y. Make them laugh. Humor works every time. Even serious content can use a clever twist or reaction. Give them an aha moment. Teach them something they didn't know. Create tension and release. Build up suspense, then deliver the punchline or answer. Think about why people share videos. It's usually because they learned something cool, laughed, or got surprised. That's what makes a video go viral. Watch time is king. If people watch your short all the way through, the algorithm pushes it to more people. How do you increase watch time? Loop it. End the video in a way that makes it seamlessly start over. Example, and that's why, cut to the beginning again. Tease the end. Make people curious so they stay. Example, at the end of this video, you'll see why this changes everything. Keep things moving fast. If there's no slow part, they won't have time to scroll away. A good short makes people watch more than once. That's what triggers virality. Use captions. A ton of people watch shorts without sound. Make sure they can still follow along. Post consistently. The more you post, the better you get, and the more the algorithm trusts you. Study viral shorts. Watch the biggest shorts creators. What are they doing that works? Copy the structure, not the content. Test different hooks. If a video flops, tweak the first second and repost. Sometimes a tiny change makes all the difference. Don't overthink it. Sometimes the simplest, rawest videos go the most viral. Focus on what grabs attention and keeps people watching. Going viral isn't random, it's a skill. If you hook people, keep the pacing tight, deliver a strong payoff, and maximize watch time, your shorts will start blowing up. Now, stop overanalyzing, go make your next video, and watch what happens.